In this video, we will take you through the overview of the eCARE system. We begin on the portal login page. Use your unique credentials to sign in. Once you are signed in, the system takes you to the landing page. Here, you immediately see an overview of the account information. The portal is organized into three main sections: Member, Policies, and Claims. Account Overview. Under Account, we have three subtabs: Renewals, Collections, and Payments. Collections displays all collections linked to you. You can filter by cover period, collection status, and other details. You can also view or download a collections report. Next is Payments. Here you can review all payments made. By default, the view shows the last 90 days, but date ranges can be adjusted as needed. There are additional filters, such as payment type. Once a report is generated, it loads on screen for viewing or downloading. Quotes and Product Offerings. Under Quotes, you can see all quotes you have previously captured or triggered while inquiring about additional products. In Product Offering, you can browse available products, for example, non-statutory offerings, and select items you are interested in. Selecting a product triggers a quote. Information. The Details tab provides comprehensive member information, company information, contact details, addresses, and bank accounts. In Documents, all your documents are stored. You can also upload new documents to a document set. Under Self-Service Access, you can add another user who should have access to the portal. You simply select Add, complete the person's details, assign a role such as Agent, Member, or Member Payroll, and save. If the email address already exists on the system, the portal will notify you, as seen here. You can either link the user or decline. Once linked, the new user will receive an email prompting them to create a password. Policies tab under Policies is where you can view all policies attached to your account. Account information reflects the selected policy, for example, EMP or CJP. You can navigate between policies by clicking on the radio button next to the policy. Under each policy, you have access to account, submissions, collections, and letters of good standing. For letters of good standing, the system shows the status, creation date, and validation details. You can also resend the letter to yourself or to the captured contacts. In the Information tab, you can see the policy status. For example, EMP may show as expired if it is no longer valid. The Documents tab allows you to view or upload documents related to the selected policy. Claims tab. Under Claims, you have access to all submitted claims, whether captured internally or externally. You can expand the list, adjust the number of items per page, and apply filters such as date ranges. There is also a search bar for locating a claim using the claim number. Selecting View opens a pop-up window with claim details. You can view event details, employee information, injury details, employment details, requirements, medical reports, including ICD-10 codes, payments, authorizations, and remittances. You also have access to documents, where you can upload claim-related files to predefined document sets. Beneficiary details and notes are visible, but not editable. Top navigation. At the top of the portal, there are three main navigation tabs: Home, the current screen; Claims, where you can register a claim; Billing will be covered in a separate billing demonstration. The next video will focus on registering a claim.